Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will tell you about the essay Qaid-e-Azam. There have been many prominent figures in history, but among them my favorite personality is Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He is the founder of Pakistan. I like him because he was really a great man and a great Muslim leader. He was born in Karachi on 25th December 1876. He received his early education in Sindh, Madrasatul Islam at Karachi. Then he was sent to England for higher education. There he passed bar at law and returned home as lawyer. He was the most successful lawyer of his time. Gradually, he turned his attention to politics and joined the Indian National Congress. He worked for Hindus-Muslim unity, but after realizing that Hindus were safeguarding their own interest, he left Congress and joined All India Muslim League. After accepting leadership of the Indian Muslim, he focused his attention on their unity. He worked for the welfare of Muslims. He had to face great hardship, but he remained firm to his stand. Nothing could move him from his legal demand of an independent Muslim state. On 23rd March 1940, the Muslim too demanded the division of the country. At last, his able leadership made possible the creation of Pakistan on 14 August 1947. Qaid-e-Azam was the first Governor General of Pakistan. He lived in a simple life, although he was a great man. He worked for Pakistan day and night. He was a brave and fearless leader. He and his colleague rendered great sacrifices for the creation of Pakistan. After great services for his country, he became weak. He fell seriously ill, but he did not take proper test or rest. In the last days of his life, he was taken to Ziyarat in Balochistan to take rest. At last, he died on 11th September 1948 and was buried in Karachi. He was no longer among us, but his memories are still fresh in our minds and heart. Thank you for listening and watching my channel. Kindly subscribe and view my channel.